Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to unbox Monopoly Deluxe Edition, the iconic board game. Now let's unbox it. This game cost $12 or 900 rupees in India. It has a special tray to sort your money. It also has slots to store all the mortgage cards and dice. All the player pieces are made of brass and are of very high quality. The dice, houses and hotels are all made of good quality wood. Now let's take a look at the board. It is the UK version. Now let's look at the banknotes. As you can see here, the notes are of excellent quality. The denominations are 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500. There are mortgage, community chest, and chance cards. The quality of these pieces are very good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.